accelerated graphics board. Okay, AGP first appeared on x86, and in 26 August 1997, AGP support with i440X sold first cheapest. Okay, and about more history, you must to come and explain.
So now I will explain more about history of AGP. In Faiz, my name is Faiz. In November 1997, FIC demonstrated the first socket 7 that support AGP, which are VIA Apollo BP3, SIS 5591 over 5592, and ALI Aladdin 5. And for information, Intel never released an AGP equipped socket 7 chipset. Next, some early AGP used graphic processor built around PCI and simply bridged to AGP. This resulted in the cards benefiting little from the new bus, with the only improvement used being the 66 MHz bus clock. That's awesome. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Understand about history, okay? Okay, now we move to advantage about AGP. Okay, you.
Hi everyone, my name is Wan Xin Chan. As I know, computer increasing became graphically oriented. Successive generation of graphic adapter began to push the limit of PCI. A bus with shared bandwidth is lead to the development of AGP, a bus dedicated to a graphic adapter. The primary advantage of AGP over PCI is that AGP provides dedicated pathway between slot and the processor, rather than sharing the PCI bus. In addition, to lack of connection for the bus, the direct connection allows for higher clock speeds. That's all. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very excellent. Who have more information about the advantage?
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amadin, and this is advantage, the advantage that I know, which is capable of reading texture directly from system RAM. If we compare to the PCI, if we use PCI, to get some texture, we must copy it from system's RAM into card's video memory. But for AGP, it can capable of reading texture directly from system RAM, just using the graphic address remapping table. That's the advantage. And the last one is sideband addressing. Sideband addressing is which is address and data bus are separate, so entire packet doesn't need to be read to get address information.
Okay, nice, excellent. Thank you so much. Now you understand about advantage. Okay, we move to third part. That's about official extension. You.
My name is Naya Fika. Official extension is divided into two, which is AGP Pro and 64-bit AGP. AGP Pro requires more electrical power and it has longer slot with additional pins. AGP Pro also used to accelerate with additional pins computer-aided design application. For 64-bit AGP, it was once proposed as an optional standard for AGP 3.0 in draft document, but was dropped in final version of standard. The standard allows 64-bit transfer for AGP. It adds read, writes, and fast writes, while 32-bit transfer for PCI operations.
Right. Thank you. Thank you so much. You understand about an official. Now we remove to an official version.
Okay, sir. Okay, we move to second point, PCI-based AGP board. Okay, we have four slots. First, we have AGP Express, AGX, AGI, and XGP. Okay, I will make it simple. AGX and XGP, they have the same advantage and disadvantage for AGI. Later, I will explain about AGI. Okay, first, AGP Express. It allows an AGP card to connect it to a legacy PCI bus on PCI Express motherboard, and it offers backward compatibility with AGP card but provides incomplete support and reduced performance. AGI. Like I said before, AGX and XGP have the same advantage and disadvantage. Like AGI. Purpose is to provide AGP support for AS-ROC motherboard that use chipset lacking native support, not fully compatible with AGP, and several video card chipset are known not to be supported. Okay.
Now we remove to compatibility.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, my name is Narazira binti Abdullah. Okay, I will talk about compatibility. Okay, first, AGP card backwards is forward compatible within limits. Okay, 1.5 voltan only key card will not go into 3.3 voltan slot and vice versa. The unserved card exists which will fit into either type slot. Okay, then modern card with 3.37 support some series. Okay, modern card with 3.37 support some series. For example, NVIDIA GeForce FX series. AGP card, AGP Pro card not fit into standard AGP card work in Pro slot. Okay, AGP Pro card will not fit into standard slot, but standard AGP card will work in a Pro slot. Okay, 4. Unkey universal slot accept other type of card. Motherboard equipped with a universal AGP Pro slot will accept card. Okay, the last is when AGP universal card plug into AGP universal slot, only 1.1% of card is used. Okay. Some cards incorrectly have dual nodes and some motherboard incorrectly have fully open top. Allow a card to be plugged into a slot that does not support the correct signal voltage, which may damage card or motherboard. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think this is all for EGB for today. Thank you so much. I will see you in next class.